times with Premier Class champions.
Big high side.
Oh, that's a big crash.
He looks really hurt. Marc Marquez will be missed, that's for sure.
I tried, was not possible.
No pain, no gain.
He is back, ladies and gentlemen.
The shoulder resisted, step by step.
Wow! Unbelievable.
I cannot ride like I want. I will have a surgery next week.
Esto no es por placer, esto es para ganar.
He's like so angry.
I'm a winner, guys. My mentality will never change. Thank you very much.
Marquez on the Ducati. Marc is back.
All the sacrifices have been worth it.
Marc Marquez has been supreme once again.
He has pulled off the greatest comeback in history against all the odds. The 93 is world champion once again.